Hey guys, and welcome back to Mr.ChoKolate's YouTube channel. In today's episode from Slamology, we're taking a quick look at 6 resilient sounds Team 18's on 36,000 watts. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Let's go! You gotta feel that heat. So y'all. Nah, you don't want it. They don't know about that right there, man.
They don't know nothing about that.
They don't know about that hustle. Dang. Who built is this? Dog. What we got here, man?
6 resilient sound Team 18.
Hold on. Give me 1 second. Everything you want me to know.
We got 6 resilient sound Team 18s in a 6 order, 1-to-1. We got 15 PRVs in each door. Center console, we got 6 speakers each. We got 4 in the A pillar. We got 6 window speakers in total. Got the still louder decals on 3 Salt 12Ks. And let's see. We got 3 PRV 3500.1s to supply the mids and highs amps.
Oh my God.
Powered by Brand X. Also 3 Brand X alts.
How long have you had this build so far?
I had this build for a total of 2 years and I just got finished this year.
Really, dude. I can't wait to hear this thing, man. What type of alternators you have up front? What type of alternators you have?
Brand X, I got 3 270s.
3 270s? Oh yeah. You got it hooked up right. Oh yeah. Let's get in here this thing, man.
Why'd I close that? Open that back up. Open that back up.
Yeah. You skip the mic on your shirt right there. Oh, you. I'm gonna ask you some questions after you get done. Yeah.
Takes to fool this down. I'll do it.
I'll smile for more it takes to fool this down. I'll do it till the sun goes down and all through the night time. I'll tell you what you wanna hear. Get my sunglasses on while I shed a tear. It's never the right time.
Give you another one?
Give me another one.
He said he want another one.
Give me another one, dog. What you mean? Golly.
I'll give you something higher. I'll give you something higher.
Do whatever you got. Dog, y'all put some work in here. This roof is like
It's solid.
What y'all do? Like weld up there?
So it's a roof. We got a styrofoam right here. And then Jimmy the painter. Shout out to Jimmy the painter. He went in with this coating over the roof.
Yeah.
Other than that, this is the only steel piece. We added an attachment up here. That's why the steel is here.
Dog. solid.
All right, let me give you something high.
Why it's I don't know why this stuff. I guess it's like something in my face. It looks hella intimidating. That shit big as hell, bro. Where y'all from?
Mansfield, Ohio.
Ohio. How far is that?
From here, 3.5 hours.
Oh, you ain't too far over.
Yeah.
You ain't too far.
For the love of bass, baby, we love it.
See what I'm saying?
High up ecstasy and echo D, what I'm sipping. This new block got 33, Scotty Pippen. Bitch, all of my niggas banging C's like we crippin'. Girl, you got what I need, what I've been missing. Let's take that chance to see that I'm different. For myself, I couldn't believe how I was tripping. No neighbors in the middle, palm trees, how I'm living. Something I popped out, but then we beat, sounded drippin'. Cause I'm from Chirac, when they get hot, they bring the text out. Better watch your back, you be on that corner stretched out. Changing in the standing tall with his chest out. And they like headshots, it won't make sense to bring a vest out. Should be devastating, you find out your homie checked out. Parents lose control, know my daughter having sex now. Niggas hating, I'm getting paper, that's what they press about. Went down the wrong path, switch it up and chose the best route. I ain't used to have it all, I used to feel left out. Remember I was broke, ain't half a dollar, I was stressed out. Now I'm trying to get richer like glass, let's bring the jets out. Bitch, I need like 10.
Thank you.
Awesome. So, hold on. So, a few questions. So, I see you got a huge system now, but what was your very, very, very first sound system?
My very first sound system, I had a Honda Accord and I had two 12 audio bombs in it.
Two audio
What
bombs.
a 1200.1 Sony Explode.
Was the chrome one, the chrome backing of them?
No, it was chrome and red with an X on it.
Wait, was it the clear, the box, the clear plexi on the front? Audio bomb box?
No.
Oh, boy,
I had a prefab box though.
Oh,
Wasn't
okay.
that one?
Oh, but that was the electronic express box.
That's the dual box.
You feel-
Yeah, no, I ain't
The
had
one
that.
that LED lights in the hole.
Yeah.
Nah, that is dope, man. All right, man. What's your social media? Where we can find you at, man?
Find me on Facebook at Donovan Burns.
Awesome, man. I love it. Good demo, man.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you, my guy. Yes, sir. I get out this thing.